welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a special effects makeup look. This girl on Instagram, I think her name is Katie Elizabeth Butt. She did a makeup look and it was so cool. Like so cool. I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like. I think today I'm going to be recreating that look. The one thing that I don't have a wig. I don't have like any wigs. My sister has some wigs, but they're like hot pink and purple. And honestly, that would not look good with this look. So I'm just going to be improvising and just having fun and just recording it and see what it looks like. I have no idea if I can do this. I honestly haven't done special effects makeup in a really long time. So it's going to be very interesting. Let's see if I can do it. This is going to be pretty hard. I do need to take all of my jewelry off though. Oh, and this is, as you can tell, this is the gray that I mixed up. I have black and I have white face paint, but I don't have gray, so I was like, oh, I'll just mix black and white together. And I think that's the color that I like. Let's jump right into this tutorial, and I'm so excited to do it. So the first thing that she does in the tutorial is she takes these hexagon looking things and starts outlining the top of her like forehead. Scissors and a ruler. So I need some paper. I'll be right back. This isn't like normal paper. This is, what is this called? Alright, well, that's not it.
Bruh.
That is not a hexagon. Jesus, get your shit together, Sophia. I'm gonna try again, okay? Why is this so hard for me to draw a fucking hexagon? That one right there. I'm gonna cut it out. So, I need to outline this friend. Hey! Just gonna leave it just like this. Okay, so it's on my forehead. It's hard because this girl has a much bigger forehead than I do. The concealer that I'm going to use is my Sephora Bright Future Concealer. So let's start off with these yellows and these oranges up here. Now that we've gotten this portion done, I'm going to add one more little hexagon thing on the side of my cheek right here. Right here, really quickly. Alright, now let's paint my face. Oh! I know! Oh! Now let's paint my face. Alright, And I'm also going to draw on the part where it goes down my neck like this. This is what I have so far. I look really crazy right now, to be honest. I look really crazy. I'm almost done. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyes. This black eyeshadow in this Colourpop palette, and I'm going to continue to fill them in. Take some black eyeshadow again and start my eyes. I added black eyeshadow and then a bunch of black eyeliner and just kept smoking it out and kept blending and blending and blending it out. My camera died and I didn't even realize halfway through, so hopefully I can get some clips in of my eyeshadow, but pretty much all I did was just put black eyeshadow and just blend it out, and the brush I used was the Morphe M433 brush, and I just sat in here like this for a long time. Pretty much what I did for my eyes, and I'm not done with them, but that's what I'm just going to do for so far. I'm just going to leave them like that. Go into this portion of my face. Waterfall coming out of my mouth is the Wet n Wild paint palette, and I bought this during Halloween, so I don't know if this is still available, but I'm sure when Halloween comes up you can buy this, and I think it was like $6. So affordable, and they're pretty good. They're okay. I'm not like obsessed with them. They're not like amazing, but they're okay. And the only bad part is that they stain my face. So, see, like I put orange on my hand and it stained my hand, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start doing like the mountains on my chest. honestly so hungry right now, I can't even think straight. Oh, the face paint I just used is a company called Snazaroo Classic Face Paint in black. And also I used like a little bit of highlighter on my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheeks. And it's by Bare Minerals and Diamond Glossomer. My camera has died at least 7 times already. I'm about this close to losing my shit, but I'm still here. While I was waiting for my camera to turn on, I just shaded around this little rectangle dude. Pretty much what I did was I took a really thin pencil like this. I outlined these parts in black. Then I took a shader brush. I used the Morphe Y22 brush. And I pretty much just shaded it and blended the black out. And that's pretty much all I did. And when I outlined it in black, I used the black Snazaroo face paint. Next hard part, I'm going to do my chest area. Going to be adding the Faux Mink Wispies. So tired. Alright, I'm going to finish this off because I'm so over this. I want to eat some food. I have some styling gel. Stole it from my mom. Never used gel. I'm going to just in my hair. This feels so weird. I look good, right? This is the new look. I'm gonna wear my hair like this every day of my life. Can you believe it? I didn't have a gray wig, so I improvised. It took me 4 hours to do this, so I am starving. Wait, you're gonna laugh at what my hair looks like right now. Okay, so see the front? Business in the front. Party in the back! This is the look that I came up with today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've gotten this far, don't forget to follow my Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.